If you want to see your teacher profile information, come on up here to your avatar. You can see your profile. You're always going to be able to see your teacher's ID. Remember, students need this to log into the website. You can change your password, you can change your avatar. And you also have your inbox, which are when students send you messages, and you can send announcements out to the whole class. Don't forget about signing out. So if we take a look at our profile, notice we see what type of membership we have. We have basic mode, which is right the same as this up here. You can change your teacher's ID. The display name is the same as what you have up here, and other teachers and students will see this name. Grade levels, sharing. This is if you have a PLC membership, you can share it. Changing your email address. And the website uses your current time for the start of the period. So assignments become available to students at the start of their period based upon their current time. So if your current time is off, make sure and change your time zone.